Imagine a role where you're the key player in managing, customizing, and enhancing a company's most vital software system. Intrigued? Welcome to the world of a Salesforce administrator. Over the next few minutes, we'll paint a vivid picture of what this role entails, the skills needed, the challenges faced, and the opportunities available. We'll also shed light on the benefits, salary, and work schedule associated with this job. So buckle up and stay tuned as we delve deeper into this fascinating role. So what does a Salesforce administrator do? Well, think of them as the custodians of Salesforce, a leading CRM software solution. They're the superheroes who keep the platform running smoothly and efficiently. A Salesforce administrator wears many hats. They manage users, ensuring that everyone has access to what they need and nothing more. They also oversee data security, a critical task in today's digital age. They can customize Salesforce to suit a company's unique needs, from tweaking the interface to creating custom fields and functionality. But that's not all. These tech whizzes also take care of system maintenance and updates, making sure Salesforce remains a reliable and efficient tool for the business. They troubleshoot problems, provide user training, and even liaise with Salesforce support when needed. Sounds challenging, doesn't it? But don't worry, the right skills can make all the difference. What does it take to be a successful Salesforce administrator? It's not just about technical skills. You may be wondering, what else could there be? Well, let's dive into it. First off, problem-solving skills are critical. As a Salesforce administrator, you'll be faced with a myriad of challenges that require creative solutions. Next, let's talk about communication. You'll need to articulate complex ideas in a way that's easily understood by different stakeholders. Strong written and verbal communication skills are a must. Another important aspect is project management. Being able to plan, organize, and manage resources to bring about the successful completion of specific project goals and objectives is key, and of course, a solid understanding of Salesforce. You might not need to know every nook and cranny of the system, but having a strong foundation and a willingness to learn will go a long way. With these skills, you're well on your way to tackling the challenges of this role. There's more to this role than just a job. Let's talk benefits, salary, and opportunities for progress. Being a Salesforce administrator comes with a basket of benefits. Beyond the satisfaction of solving complex problems and making a real difference in your organization, you can look forward to a comprehensive benefits package. This often includes health insurance, paid time off, and sometimes even perks like gym memberships or tuition reimbursement. Next, let's talk numbers. The salary of a Salesforce administrator can be quite rewarding. On average, in the United States, these professionals earn between $75,000 to $100,000 per annum. Of course, this can vary based on factors like experience, location, and the size of the company you work for. The work schedule of a Salesforce administrator is typically a standard 40-hour work week, but this can sometimes be flexible, depending on the organization's needs and your personal preferences. Now let's touch on the opportunities for progress. The world of Salesforce is vast and ever-evolving, with plenty of avenues for advancement. With experience, you could move into roles like Salesforce consultant or architect, or even a managerial or director position. The sky's the limit. And remember, in today's digital world, every bit of experience you gain is a stepping stone towards future opportunities. So whether you're just starting out or looking to switch careers, the role of a Salesforce administrator can open many doors. So you see, being a Salesforce administrator is not just a job, it's a career with immense potential. So are you ready to embark on an exciting journey as a Salesforce administrator? Let's quickly recap what we've covered. We dived into the role and responsibilities of a Salesforce administrator, shedding light on the skills and experience needed for this job. We also explored the benefits, salary, and opportunities for progress in this role. The insights shared in this video can serve as your guide, helping you navigate your way through the intriguing world of Salesforce administration. It's a challenging but rewarding journey where every day brings new learning opportunities. Now, we'd love to hear from you. What are your thoughts on becoming a Salesforce administrator? Do you have any experiences or questions you'd like to share? Your interaction not only enriches our community dialogue, but also provides valuable insights for others. If you found this video insightful, do subscribe, comment, and check out our other content. Remember, your success journey starts with a single step. Take that step today.